Today is slang word day, and you don't want to miss this one. Because in Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have AağZIGÖYÇək. AağZIGÖYÇək. AağZIGÖYÇək can mean doom monger, or gossip monger, or slanderer. Ready for phrases? To open his doom monger mouth. Gossip monger aunty, or slanderers in politics. Let's see. AağZIGÖYÇək, ağzını açmaq. So, to open his doom-monger mouth. Ağız means technically mouth, açmaq open. Göyçək means nice, beautiful, but it's not technically, it's the other way around. AağZIGÖYÇək xala, gossip monger aunty. Siyaset is politics. Siyasətdə in politics. There are some, right? Let's use those in some sentences. O, ağzı göyçək siyasətçidir və sözləri ilə hamını inandırır. Watch. He is a slanderous politician and convinces everyone with his or her words, because O can mean he or she. So I have both for you here. Siyasətçidir is politician. Siyaset, politics. Siyasətçi, politician. Siyasətçidir is politician. Sözləri ilə, with his or her words, hamını, everyone's, convinces, inandırır. O ağzı göyçək siyasətçidir və sözləri ilə hamını inandırır. Let's see another one. O ağzı göyçək yenə bədbinliyini üstümüzə tökməyə başladı. Actually, there is another slang word here, but let's see. That doom-monger started to pour his or her pessimism, negativity over us again. Let's break it apart. O ağzı göyçək, that person who is with the doom-monger mouth, that doom-monger, yenə, again, bədbinliyini, his or her negativity, pessimism. That's what bədbinlik means in terms of slang word. That's another slang word. Üstümüzə tökməyə başladı. Started, başladı. Üstümüzə tökməyə, to pour over us. O ağzı göyçək yenə bədbinliyini üstümüzə tökməyə başladı. It might be hard to use in full Azerbaijani sentence the word ağzı göyçək, so I have an easier way for you. Ready? My ağzı göyçək auntie predicted again that something bad would happen today, and guess what? It actually did. Either she's psychic or just really good at reading parties. There are some ağzı göyçək aunties. Now, thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for another word because we are finishing the week and then we'll start a new set of words. Until then, you know what to do. Cheers.